channel. My name is Lizzie. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thank you so much for checking out my channel. The name of my channel, of course, is Lizzie Luxury. Lizzie Luxury is all about beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. Please, to help my channel grow, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends out there. Please make yourself comfortable. Get you a glass of wine or a glass of champagne, because today I have an interesting product that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. So without any delay, I'm going to jump straight into this review. I have a product here that came with this red wrap. I took the product out of the box already. It was just a regular box. But anyway, so what I got is the Christain Louboutin lipstick in the color Diva. Christain Louboutin, in case you didn't know, is a French international luxury high-end designer. He sells men's wear in terms of shoes, women's footwear, fragrances, and makeup. He's been in business for a very long time, since the early 1990s, and he is such an icon in the fashion industry. Celebrities, they all wear his products, his shoes. If you ever heard of the name Red Bottom, people are referring to Christain Louboutin. Of course, like I said, he is a luxury high-end designer. He is also most popularly known for his high-end stilettos footwear that incorporates a shiny red lacquered bottom, and that has become a major part of his signature. Again, like I said, when you hear red bottom, people are referring to Christain Louboutin. So I bought this lipstick directly from the Christain Louboutin website. It retails for $90. Yes, like I said, it retails for $90. You can get this lipstick straight from their website or Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue, Belle of Goodman, you name it, they all have it. It also came in this foam package, which I think was really nice because you want to protect the product so it doesn't break or crack or anything. As you can see, it came in this black, beautiful, shiny case or box. You can also see it has yellow, it has this gold color all along in the middle. It's not yellow, it's gold. So you can see up close, and of course on the front you have that signature Christain Louboutin. According to the website, Christain Louboutin used so many different adjectives to describe this lipstick. According to their website, this lipstick is, I don't even know where to begin, honestly. But anyway, this lipstick is a velvet matte finish lipstick. It gives you a high pigmented color and a soft touch finish. According to Christain Louboutin, a lipstick should be a woman's magic wand, no longer tucked away in the keyring or between the keyring and the nail file. They also said they have transformed a forgotten object into a treasured jewel. Yes, that's what they say on the website. Also, they said this lipstick gives you a smooth precision and a full coverage in just one application or one stroke. This lipstick glides on effortlessly, it's easy to apply, and it protects effectively against dryness, all thanks to the complex of natural oils and seed butters. That's a mouthful. I know. Also, this lipstick is very, very luxurious and is gonna give you an excellent, beautiful, glamorous look. So we are going to find out if all these claims about this lipstick are all true. So on the inside of this box, you can see the lipstick in this gold case. It is reminiscent of a precious vial. You can see up close. Attached to the cap of the lipstick is a silk ribbon. And there's a reason for this silk ribbon attached to the cap of the lipstick. This is to enable you to attach the lipstick or the ribbon around your neck to make the lipstick look like a jewelry. So I'm just gonna take out the silk ribbon, just gently pull it out like this. And here is the lipstick. Looks really beautiful. You can see that crown like design on the cap. It looks really gorgeous. On the inside of the case, it has this red velvet material, as you can see. So up close, that's how the lipstick, I don't know if you can see, I'm sorry guys, trying to, that's how it looks like. Oops. So let me try it around my neck. This is how it would look if you were to wear this lipstick around your neck just like this. So people would think you have a jewelry and not a lipstick. That's interesting. But anyway, let's get to the diva herself, see what it looks like. On the inside of the cap, it has that iconic red color that Louboutin is known for, or is known, it's part of their brand, I guess you could say. I'm just gonna twist the lipstick so you guys can see how it looks. Here comes the color Diva. Here is Diva. We've been waiting for Miss Diva. So I'm gonna apply Miss Diva on my lips just to see how it looks, how it feels, and all that. I have a mirror here with me. Yep, it's true. It glides on effortlessly. And I can see that it gives me a full coverage, but at least with more than one stroke though. One application. Although this lipstick is described as matte velvet, it's not drying at all. It feels really, really moisturized. It has a very nice scent, kind of like perfumey scent to it. It's not overpowering or anything like that. It just smells really beautiful. I can't really tell exactly what type of smell it is, but it's just a nice smell, kind of sweet, nice smell. I'm not sure, but anyway, so Louboutin describes this lipstick as, like I said, it can last for up to 4 hours. For $90, I truly feel like this lipstick should last way more than 4 hours. But at least it is set on the website. It is described on the website. Everything is on the website. So before you make a purchase, you already know how long the lipstick is gonna last. If I were to rate this lipstick, I'm just gonna back up a little bit, because I just wanted to mention something here before I rate the lipstick. I really would have loved for this case or this box to have a mirror on the inside, so that way if you were to reapply the lipstick, you don't have to carry an extra mirror or carry a mirror with you or have to go to the bathroom and stuff like that. If you're at the airport or wherever it might be, it would be so convenient if this case came with a mirror on the inside. Maybe just a small mirror, just enough to be able to apply the lipstick. I personally think that would have been really, really good. But unfortunately, it did not come like that, and to me, that is a minus. Also, I did not mention to you guys, this lipstick come in different colors. So there's a wide range of colors for this lipstick. So just check it out if you are interested. Check it out and see all the different colors. This lipstick, although it only lasts for 4 hours, I would still recommend this lipstick as a gift. If you were to buy your girlfriend, anybody in your anybody that you think might love a lipstick in this color, I would recommend to try this lipstick. It's luxury, of course. It's Louboutin. We're paying for the brand name, we're paying for the packaging and all that. So yeah, I still really think it is a good lipstick, regardless of the fact that it can only last for up to 4 hours. I also forgot to mention to you guys, this lipstick is clinically tested. It is paraben free. It doesn't have any mineral oils or any of that stuff. It's completely made with natural oils and seed butters. Everything in this lipstick is all natural, and that can really explain why it can only last for up to 4 hours. I'm sure if they wanted to make a lipstick that could last all day, they could, but they just choose to make this lipstick with all natural oils for whatever reason, which to me is not a big problem. It's just trying to justify the longevity and the price. To me, that's where the problem comes in. And then again, you are dealing with Louboutin, so there you go. Anyway, back to my rating. So if I were to rate this lipstick, I would give this lipstick 4 stars, just because I don't want to have to carry a mirror with me if I'm going out somewhere, or I mean, it's just, I would have just loved for the case to come with a mirror. That's just me. That's just me. I don't know what you guys think, but just let me know in this comment section below. And then again, I know I already told you guys about the natural oils, seed butters, and all that. Maybe 6-8 hours to me would have been really, really lovely to have a lipstick that lasts up to 6 hours. But anyway, so now we know we got the Christain Louboutin lipstick in the color Diva. Is $90, and it can last for up to 4 hours. So please let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Again, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and please share this video with all your friends to help my channel grow. Stay tuned, because I have more videos that I'm gonna be posting on my channel, and I'm sure you guys are going to have fun watching those videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.